welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be sharing you what's inside my bag. This is the bag that I'll be using for work or kahit ano. So my welcome bag. So are you guys ready? Okay. So first, ang nasa bag ko, I have this parang ano siya, makeup kit from Estee Lauder. So everything nandito, mga makeup ko. So I have this feminine wash or ano ba to, spray ata to eh. My lipstick. I have my parang spray sa mouth. I have my lip balm. I have my floss. I have my concealer from Too Faced. And then I have lipstick. So this is the lipstick na ginagamit ko lagi. From I think Chris Aquino ata yan. I have my eyebrows. Tapos, I have my another lipstick from Kylie. Ito yung favorite ko din. Tapos, I have my sa pilik mata. I have my eyeliner from Estee Lauder again. Yep, that's it. So, these are what's inside my bag, or like yung mini bag. So next ko, I have my
perfume. Palit lang siya. So this is from Moschino. I don't know kung may nabibili pa to sa store, pero I think sa online ko lang ito nabibili, pero ano siya. Maganda yung amoy. Pihigan kasi ako sa mga amoy, like I've tried different perfume or body spray. Kaso nga lang, like, parang nahihilo ako or anything na hindi maganda sa sa pangamoy. And next one. So next one I have this, since my COVID, I have this antibacterial hand spray from Bath and Body Works. So mabango siya. Ganyan lang siya. Ano siya? Cucumber with melon. Nagamit ko yan lagi. And then, I don't know, I don't wear, or I don't use wallet. So I only have yung card wallet, which is from Michael Kors. So here's my driver's license. And then I have, oh gosh, I have a lot of credit cards. Dami kong utang. So I have my debit card, which is you can customize your debit card. I have another driver's license. I have a credit card. I have my Costco membership. I have Visa card, Kaiser, Visa card, AAA. AAA is life. Like I need this all the time. Very secret. I have my Amex card, since I need that. And I have my Bart. Oh my god, I have my new Princess. It's my Bart clipper. Ginagamit ko lagi. What else? I have my checkbook all the time. I don't know, like you can call me old-fashioned, pero I'm still writing check. I don't know why. So, still use this for emergency. Next, I have my medicine bag.
dahil matanda na ako. So, you can find sa Lompas. I have diet tabs ba to? I have diet tabs. I have Vicks. Yeah, nilagay ko sa ilong ko pag masakit ang ulo ko. I have sa gas pag masakit, parang masakit yung ko, stomach ko. And I have Tylenol. Yeah. And this pouch, ginagamit ko din to lagay may ipit since nagpa-short hair ako, mahilig ako sa mga clip ganun. So I have my ipit, I have this, I have this, and I have this. Yeah. So those are my ipit. Ano pa ba? Have my coin purse. So usually pag may change, pag bumibili ako sa store, binibigyan ako ng change, nilalagay ko dito para madali lang hanapin or pag kailangan ko ng change again. I have another Tylenol. Sumasakit ang ulo ko minsan, so I have to make sure may medicine ako. I have my house key. So, yun. Susi ako. May vitamins. So, every day, may dala akong vitamins. Kasi nga, para lumakas yung immune system natin. This is from Philippines. I believe bigay ng ate ko. Okay. Meron din akong ball pen. Kasi nga, di ba, pag nagre-write ng check or anything na, minsan kailangan ko ng pen. So, make sure meron akong pen sa bag. May susi sa car. Ano pa ba? Oh, I have my, I have my Wells Fargo mess.
Nasa namin siya sa work. And then, I have my work team. Kailangan dala-dala yung work team. And last, our cash, hindi talaga ako, wala ng work. Kaya nilagay ko naman yung cash ko dito sa envelope. At kaya ng Christmas, kailangan meron ng cash. I think that's it. Sinang naman.
Bag ko, so, mahilig talaga ako sa, sa malalaking bag. I don't know why, pero mas, siya. Although, gumagamit din ako ng body bag, yung mga maliliit, for party, club, ganun. Pero, sa work talaga, mas type ko yung ganitong size ng bag. Kasi madaming malalagay. Like, sa akin, usually, naglalagay pa ako ng notebook. Today, hindi ako naglagay ng notebook. Iniwan ko na lang sa work. Kasi nga, di ba, holiday. So, I don't really need it. Pero, lagi, I always bring medicine. So, yun lang. I don't use wallet. So, yun lang yung missing part sa bag ko. But, other than that, mayroon ako. And, usually, yung headset, nandun sa isang pouch, yung headset and then charger ko. And of course, yung phone, usually, I have it on my bag. So, yeah, that's it for today. So, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga laman ng bag ko. Usually, like makeup, medicine. Yeah. Alright, thank you everyone for watching. Until sa next video ulit. Hope you like it. And let me know kung ano pang gusto nyong makita or anything na gusto nyong ipakita ko sa inyo. Thank you.